makes my heart ache. Sadness, pain, and astonishment take me, for I see youth debased. Malice rises and joy declines, since the Poetiven died. Stalled are the worth and laudable deeds that were wont to come from the poeto. Alas, how do the barrow I miss him? It weighs heavy on me if I live long. Lord, put the baron I mentioned, if you please, in heaven. I lament the Count of Poitiers, who was prowess partner. Since worth and bounty are no more, it grieves me if I remain here long. Glorious God, I protest to you, for you take away those I love. The same way you shaped Adam, protect him from the evil toys of the fire of hell, let it burn him not, for this world misleads us. I consider this world hateful, for it panders to neither poor nor rich. Alas, how all my friends depart, leaving us all miserable here. But I know well that at doomsday the good will be parted from the evil. You have lost your dominion. Youth calls herself wretched. She can't find shelter by anyone except Sir and foes. Who has conquered joy? Whoever is grieved knows from Lemozin. And Angumoys are happy. Had he lived and had